Okay, so now let's talk about these subscription lines of credit. In my experience, GPs mainly use these to smooth out their capital calls. They borrow capital to make 1 or 2 new investments, and then 6 or 12 months later, they pay off the line when they call capital from LPs. The result of this delay tends to make limited partner net IRRs a little bit higher, around 1 or 2%, and the net multiples or TVPIs a little bit lower due to the interest charges on the subline. Now, again, in my experience, none of the buyout growth or venture funds that I've worked with have ever used a subscription line to lower their cost basis and amplify their returns, like you might see with SBIC leverage or the way that debt amplifies equity gains in an LBO. When lines get paid off, that amplification doesn't happen. It's really a matter of convenience for the GP and LP. Private equity investments are complicated with a lot of moving parts that can change up until the day that a deal closes. If you pre-call capital from LPs and the deal doesn't close, then you must send that capital back to them. Sometimes a co-investor will back out at the last minute, and then that capital that you pre-called 15 days ago is no longer enough. Subscription lines of credit can help alleviate this, and they might allow a GP to only make 2 capital calls in a given year instead of 5 or 10 different capital calls and distributions. And that can result in significant time savings for the back office of both the GP and the LP.